3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing. Today we'll be doing an interior detail on this Volkswagen Jetta. It's a Mark 7. Just needs a little freshening up on the interior. Some mud stains from a dog. And that should be pretty easy, honestly. So what I'll be using today, I'm going to start off with vacuuming. Getting some CarPro inside, using the inner scrub. Go ahead and clean these floor mats. They're pretty nasty looking, pretty dirty, but that's pretty typical for rubber floor mats to not look good, but they will protect your car pretty nicely. So I'll go ahead and spray it down, use some CarPro retire, and then agitate it. So let's get going. To make your life easier, use one of these power brush, just so you can go like this. So yeah, these are looking pretty darn good. After these dry up, we'll apply some Kosh Chemie gummy fix to help seal them, keep it looking newer, longer. Alright, so the next step to doing a full interior detail is using a vacuum like this. I have the rigid portable vac. This thing I've had for years and years. 5 horsepower, so about the same power as a Honda Civic. Get all the stuff out in here, and then we'll get to the next step, which is scrubbing it down with inner scrub and CarPro inside. Alright, so everything is vacuumed out, looking pretty good. Back here, yeah, there's a lot of mud from a dog, I think. Maybe the owner just likes to walk around in the mud and jump in her back seat. Who knows? Can't judge people based on what they like. So we'll go ahead and get to wiping it down with CarPro inside, inner scrub, which is super awesome, and then my detail brush that I left somewhere. Uh-oh, it was in my pocket. So this is a detailing brush. Got it from, I don't remember, but it's pretty solid, it's pretty soft. So yeah, let's get to working. Depending on who you ask, some people like to start on the dash up there. I like to start on the door panels and then work myself in and out the other way, and then come back in and out this way. So it's like a loop. You won't miss anything if you have a process that you follow every single time, and this is my process. So you can just spray like that, just a little bit, and then use this to scrub, and then you use another microfiber towel to dry it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for the interior and go from there. See you in a bit.
So yeah, make sure you clean this part up because you touch it a lot, especially when you're rolling down the windows, locking your doors, whatever it is. It just gets really nasty and not many people clean it. So go ahead and do that.
Alright, so here is the outcome of the first door panel. It's looking pretty darn good. Better than new, I think. The Chipotle she's saving for later. We'll leave that in there. I'm here to detail, not to judge. So, alright, back to work. Alright, so for these mud spots, we're just going to spray it with some CarPro Inside. Now we're going to wipe it down. Let CarPro Inside break down the mud stuff. Scrub it, agitate it, vacuum it, and that's essentially how you get that out. If it doesn't come off, then we'll have to use an extractor, which we might be able to do without. Let's see. So just agitate it, let it bubble up, penetrate through the seats, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, some spots are coming off easier than others because science. If your foot is dirty and then you step harder, more pressure in some areas, then obviously the dirt gets trapped further in. So yeah, this person had a party back here after jumping in the mud. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and use the extractor. I used a little bit of it already, so you can see a lot of the mud stains are gone. But we're gonna go ahead and thoroughly do it. Make sure there's nothing like prominent showing. So like here, you can see it a little bit. We're gonna take care of that. Right here, we'll probably use a small detail brush to agitate that. And other than that, it's starting to look pretty good. So let's get going here. Alright, so now to get these floor mats looking even better, we're gonna use Gummy Fix by Coach Kemi. I got this from Sky's the Limit Car Care, which is carpro-us.com. So what you do is you shake it up. You put some on this, right? So you put some on the microfiber or applicator pad. Hard to do this with one hand, but essentially you just apply it on the rubber floor mat. Alright, so the interior is fully detailed. Floor mat's looking good. Steering wheel looking good. Dash, seats, and it smells pretty good in there too. I sprayed some Oberk squash. I'll show you that here in a minute. But man, interior looks good. No more dog mud all over the back seat. And that's how you detail an interior. Pretty easy. Took maybe a couple hours, maybe less than that, an hour. So here you guys are. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. Oh, one more thing. The final touch. I hate these on Volkswagens. You see how that's sideways? It needs to always be like that. Got it? Good.